Step back and see.
Oh, you missed to the right. To the left.
Don't get discouraged. Keep going. You might have to surge the supply trap.
Do you do it?
So your lineup is having some trouble over there.
Yeah, good enough.
Hey, where
See, that's why you're right. Very good point, Grace, is not to panic.
All right.
That's pretty good.
Pick it up. Get up. Okay.
You can go and peek inside, but remember to run back quickly, okay? So that they can have space to move. I don't want Abby going behind you. Just go in front of you.
Let's watch them over here.
Time's ticking.
Awesome.
1 minute, 30 seconds left. Nice. Just make it turn. Push the ambulance in.
Not right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Pick it up.
It's going to make it.
It's going to come back.
At least we avoided a penalty.
This one is acting perfect here.
Hey, tsunami.
Rip off the bottom part of the wall.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Oops, I thought it was barriers. Oops, sorry. Never mind that.
See, they're going higher power.
Good job. Barriers. Rip off the bottom part of the wall. Pick it up. Come on, guys.
Who's over here? Pick it up.
Try again.
How much time do you have?
26 seconds.
25 seconds. Don't try it again. Do anything. You can do it. It'll still
17 seconds.
You got time.
The judge is going to tell us the time as we. Yeah. You can keep requesting that, right? Yeah, I think it'll be up. Oh, okay.
Okay, good. Calm down.
All right.
I'm trying again.
The time will be up there.
Isha, hands up.
Great.
Hands up from the table.
So you can
All right.
tell that.
Just in time.
Okay, let's set it up.